Did you buy a transfer case linkage for a TJ from eBay or Amazon and did not get a set of instructions? Well, hopefully this will act as an aid as you put yours together. Just to give you a heads up, I fought this thing tooth and nail. I probably would have went with the cable style if I'd have to do it again. I don't have the luxury of having a lift in my garage, or I just kind of did this on off a creeper, and I had to drop the belly pan to get to it. So it was kind of a pain in the butt. But essentially, I'm just going to cut to the chase and show you what I ended up with at the end there. I will tell you the green bushings suck on this. They don't work very well. They don't stay in place. They're too loose. I ended up reusing the black rubber style bushings that came out of the old linkage. So here I am removing it. Obviously, you're going to have to get the belly pan lowered with the transmission transfer case. The front drive shaft has to, you have to remove that. And once you get everything out of the way, you could go ahead and start bolting up that bracket. It is super beefy. It'll go on the tail of the transmission where the transfer case mounts up. And then here's kind of the final product. The only thing I ended up changing this, you'll have to make a couple adjustments once you get the belly pan and the transmission all back into its normal position. The only thing I changed this is on the bracket side, that heim, I had to flip it to the other side at that pivot point because it was too cockeyed for shifting between 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. So hope this helps. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you can, and see you soon.